All right, we're at Nha Trang Center. Nha Trang Center. We have about maybe a day and a half before the big 100-mile-an-hour or km. Right now, all the sand is going backwards. Okay, and we have a day and a half more. Okay, and all sucking in. Okay, the barometer is very bad. Old people will die. People get toothaches. Heart condition people. The barometer pressure ups and down. Okay, the people don't know about that. If you have high blood pressure. Okay, so that's Nha Trang Center. Okay, that's all. Okay, see you again. Okay.